Today we're comparing two powerful worlds, desktop applications and web applications. Let's understand which one is better and why the industry is shifting. Many students ask me why desktop applications are becoming less popular. Today, we will clear this confusion in a simple and practical way. In web applications, developers update once, and every user instantly gets the latest version. But in desktop applications, users must manually download and install updates. Web applications run inside a browser and work on almost every device. One system, multiple platforms. That's the power of the web. Desktop applications often need separate versions for Windows, macOS, and Linux. This increases development time, cost, and complexity. A web application is shared with just a simple link, but desktop software requires downloading, installing, and setup steps. Desktop apps depend on your computer's hardware and system configuration. Web apps reduce these issues by running inside a standardized browser environment. However, desktop applications still dominate in high-performance tasks. Video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming require the power of local processing. If you want scalable cloud-based systems, learn web development. If you want strong system-level understanding, desktop development is powerful. Both technologies are important. It depends on your goals. Build strong foundations today, and mastering any platform tomorrow becomes easier.